Welcome to the weekend edition of Trav Shots with Nishant Krishna. I create interesting travel info videos and do check out my other videos in my channel. You may just like it. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. Today's video is about interesting facts about India that you probably did not know. With over 1 billion people from all kinds of religions and ethnicities, India is not only the second most populated country, but it also has in store some mind-blowing facts and achievements under its belt. Now let's quickly dive into the show. India is not only known for the most significant number of post offices in the world, but it also has its very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar. Perched on a houseboat, it also includes a museum within itself. Quite an unusual fact about India, isn't it? Holding a Guinness record for highest average annual rainfall, Mawsynram in Meghalaya gets about 11,800 millimeters of rain owing to its proximity to the Bay of Bengal. The winter months of this region are spent in preparation for the 6-month-long monsoon ahead. India's most privileged voter, Mahant Bharat Das, resides in a small hamlet near Banej in the middle of Gir Forest, Gujarat. The setting up of a particular polling booth for just one voter goes a long way in speaking decibels about the democratic spirit of the country. A small village in the Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh, Madhopatti, has created history by producing the most number of IAS officers. With about 75 households, it has given 47 officers to Indian administration. Not just that, many from the small village have made their careers by joining prestigious organizations like ISRO, Baba Atomic Research Center, and World Bank. Ask the villagers about their study schedules, maybe. Awarded by the World Book of Records, the Golden Temple of Amritsar is the most visited place in the world, with over 1 lakh devotees flocking at the shrine every single day. The world's biggest cricket stadium is the Motera Stadium located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It can accommodate capacity of around 1 lakh people, and the first official match is gonna happen pretty soon. Watch out for this great atmosphere. Attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to a 300-year-old legend, this village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. I wonder how they keep the rain away. I have a detailed video on this. Please check out the link in the description below. The world's highest motorable road greets you at Ladakh at an elevation of over 19,300 feet. Bike enthusiasts, take note, because little fact about India could bring about a new adrenaline-filled adventure for you. Connecting more than 7,200 stations, the Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia, carrying about 23 million passengers daily in 13,000 such trains. Living in his 100-room mansion in Baktang village of Mizoram, Mr. Ziona Chana is the head of the world's biggest family consisting of 181 members. He has 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-law and 33 grandchildren. This is a world record-breaking fact about India. Love milk and milk products? Here is an interesting fact for you. India contributes about 10% of the world's milk production, and that's huge. The Kumbh Mela is a spiritual event held once in 12 years in northern India. In 2011, this religious gathering was so vast that it was visible in space through a satellite. It attracted over 70 million people across the world, and this was a huge gathering that was visible from space. I hope you liked this edition of Traf Shots. If you found this video interesting, please do share it with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to my channel in case you still haven't. Till the next one, signing off, Nishant.